Okay, so in this video, I'm going to solve this one. This problem stands all by itself. Okay? We've got to do this guy all by himself. So let's draw the ground, let's draw the building. Right, here's the person, they throw the ball. It goes up. Right, it goes down. Right, and this thing goes from here to here. We want to know how high above the building it goes. So we just want to know what that x is, right? Okay, so again, we're going to do another little thing. We're going to go like this and go x, vi, vf, a, and t. Okay, and now what we have to do is we have to use this velocity from before. We need to know the initial velocity. Without rounding it, it's positive 12.781, right? And then we know the acceleration, of course, is always negative 9.8. And then the final thing that we know is that when it says how high above it does it go, we're going from the ground to the top. At the top, the velocity, the final velocity is 0, okay? That's one of the little tricks that you got to know about projectile motion problems, is if you're trying to solve for the top, the final velocity at the top is 0. Now we're solving for x. It doesn't ask us for the time to the top, and we can't say that it's half of this time. You can't divide that time in half because it doesn't spend half the time going up and half going down. It spends more time going down, right? So not only do we not know the time, we can't figure out the time by dividing that in half, right? I'm going to just skip dealing with the time altogether and then just use this guy, right? Vf squared is vi squared plus 2ax, right? So Vf squared is 12.781 squared plus 2 times negative 9.8 times x, which we don't know. Oh, here we go. Okay, this guy's 0. There you go. 0 squared. Okay, I'm like, oh, we don't know two things. Yeah. Okay, yeah, the final velocity is 0. Okay, so now we're set. Now we can take this 12.781, square it, right? 163.35391, okay, equals 2 times negative 9.8 times x, right? And now I'm going to divide this by 2, divide it by 9.8. So divided by 2, divided by 9.8, right? And I'm getting that the x is 8.334 meters, right? 8.3 meters is what the answer is, right? Okay. So just remember, if you're trying to go from the release point to the top, final velocity is 0, acceleration is negative 9.8, and then you just need to know some other thing like the initial velocity or the time or something like that.